Hi guys, this is Tom with Pure Water Power. This is a Little Beast single RO water purification system, and on this is a hose reel and a wheel kit to make this unit portable. So I'm going to show you how to install the wheel kit. The wheel kit comes with 2 wheels capable of holding up to 300 pounds each, and then 2 rubber plugs that are mounted on the bottom of the rack exactly opposite from the wheels. So we're going to go ahead and show you what comes with this hose reel kit and how to actually install the kit. So what I have here is a rack, and it's a bare rack. It's just easier to show you how to do this. This is to put on its side, and then that is the bottom of the rack that you're seeing in the foreground there. So with this wheel kit, you get 2 heavy-duty flat-free tires, and then you get a couple of rubber pads for the bottom with the hardware. So these are flat-free tires. They're heavy-duty, rated for 300 pounds per wheel, and so you get 2 of these wheels and then 2 of these shoulder bolts. And on each side of the bottom of the rack, we have mounted these brackets for these wheel kits. These racks can be bolted into a vehicle or used portable with these wheel kits. So it's a shoulder bolt. It has a 7/16 inch Allen fitting, or you can use needle or vice grips if you don't have an Allen wrench to install these. So you just take the wheel, the grease fitting will be to the inside, insert the shoulder bolt, and then go ahead and tighten them on there. So then you can take your Allen key and then go ahead and tighten those all the way up, and then go ahead and do the same thing to the opposite side here. So that will complete the wheel side. And with your unit, of course, it won't be a bare rack, so you can just lay it down on its side, have this on the top, and then go ahead and put those wheels on, and then flip it over on its back side like you see here to install the plugs. So you also get 2 of these feet, and on the bottom of this unit we have these little triangular studs here so you can bolt it into your vehicle. So there's 4 of these, and you can bolt them to your vehicle, or in this case it's a wheel kit. So with this kit you get 2 rubber feet, and then you get all the hardware that goes with it. So each rubber foot will take a bolt. It's a 1 inch 5/16 inch bolt. Put the washer on first, insert the bolt from the bottom in the indentation here, and then go ahead and put it right where this hole is in that triangular stud. Put 1 more washer on the other side, and then the 5/16 inch nut. And then you can go ahead and duplicate that on the other side. So I've got a washer with the bolt through the bottom, going through that hole, washer on the inside, nut on the inside. And you can still easily get to these with the battery box on there. You just will need a socket instead of a wrench. But I've got a 5/16 inch drill ready to put these on, and a 5/16 inch wrench. Just stick that on there, tighten it, and you are good to go. Now this rack is set up for mobile use. If you want to go back and mount this into a vehicle later on, you just remove what we just put on, and then you can bolt it into a vehicle. If you have any questions on this, you can visit our website at www.purewaterpower.com. Thank you, and have a great day.